Thanks for checking in as we take a look into an extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and Fernanda continues in the eastern Pacific. It looks like we could have a hurricane, another one coming up through the end of the week here. Heat concerns also continuing across parts of the nation, and severe thunderstorms and monsoon conditions across parts of the other half of the country. All right, so here's a look at Fernanda from earlier today. You can see a fairly decent sized storm system, and it's a tropical storm, but hurricane strength potentially by the end of the week yet, and maybe even into this upcoming weekend. There is the potential that it could become our first major hurricane of the eastern Pacific season. And then on the eastern flank of that, we actually have another wave that the National Hurricane Center is deeming a low probability of tropical formation within the next 5 days. Yesterday, we had several severe thunderstorm reports, even some tornadoes in Wisconsin and down into Iowa. The severe threat today from the Front Range of the Rockies all the way to the East Coast. But again, today, a slight risk in the Ohio Valley, also out near New York, Long Island, New Jersey. A damaging wind threat, one of our primary concerns. Could see some large hail there, and then maybe an isolated tornado threat over portions of eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania, including Pittsburgh there. Tomorrow, another slight risk of severe weather kind of centered over the Washington, D.C. region. And then on Saturday, a slight risk moving back into the upper Mississippi Valley and western Great Lakes region. So really, your heaviest rainfall will be within this particular corridor over the next couple of days from the Ohio Valley to the northeast. Actually, could see some isolated flood concerns. We do have some flash flood watches already posted, but some 1 to maybe 2-inch rainfall tallies can't be ruled out. And again, there are your flood watches for the area. Look at the daytime highs today. Philadelphia, D.C. Nearing 100 degrees. Heat advisories, excessive heat warnings have been posted in those areas. Still hot in the southwest, pretty close to average. But look at that daily thunderstorm chance with these monsoon storms continuing, some pockets of heavy rain.